In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best bicycle lock. So let's get started. Number 7. Kryptonite New York. This strong 5-foot cable is made from 6-sided links of hardened manganese steel, so it'd be hard for most people to cut. The cable is encased in a protective, durable cover that won't scratch your bike. The long cable allows you to secure your bike in the best way possible, and you will also have the length needed to secure it to most bike stands. This lock is sold with a double deadbolt that provides the extra security you want for your bike. This security system is designed with anti-drill and anti-pull features that prevent someone from breaking into the lock. This company offers a key safe program. Number 6. Kryptonite Keeper785. It takes less than 5 minutes for a thief to steal your bike, which is why you need a bike lock that offers a high level of security. This bike lock does. It features a double deadbolt, anti-rotation design, and resists bolt cutters, hand tools, and leverage attacks. It is resistant to drilling and picking, thanks to its disc-style cylinder with a center keyway. The bike lock comes with 2 stainless steel keys that are ergonomically designed and prevent them from breaking or bending. Number 5. Viabella Heavy-Duty Bicycle U-Lock. The Viabella bike lock is designed to give you extra peace of mind when you're far away from your bike. It's a well-made and quality item you can use in all kinds of situations, regardless of the weather. Thanks to the super easy installation, you'll be ready to go in a breeze. The bike lock features weather-resistant material and is covered with a hexagonal PVC cover. Therefore, you'll be able to leave your bike wherever you find it most convenient. With 2 keys, you won't risk getting in the awkward situation of not being able to unlock your precious bike. Number 4. Kryptonite Keeper785. Kryptonite offers a highly reliable bike lock that allows you to secure your bike wherever you are. This product is super heavy and sturdy, making things incredibly difficult for thieves. Furthermore, it comes in 5 different colors, so you can pick the one that complements your bike. Users love this lock for many reasons, with the main one being its sturdy construction. The item is made of high-quality steel, and it features a modern link design that secures the chain directly to the hardened deadbolt. That makes it super stable and safe. Number 3. Kryptonite Evolution U-Lock. Here's another high-quality bike lock from Kryptonite. It's a thick item made of quality steel that's able to resist a lot of abuse. Thanks to the hardened casing and a long looped cable, the item ensures ultimate security for your bike. The lock offers excellent anti-theft protection and a long lifespan. The company incorporates new technology in producing crossbars that can resist cuts and twists, and this model has them too. This means thieves won't be able to cut or dismantle the lock in any way. There's also a protective vinyl coating to make the product even more durable. Number 2. HipLock Gold Wearable. The HipLock Gold is a 4.8-pound bike chain that doubles as a belt. There's no need to wrap it around the top tube of your frame. As long as you have a 30 to 44-inch waist, just adjust it to fit and wear it while you ride. And when you're ready to lock your bike, the chain attached to the belt is quite secure. Here's a video showing how it fits/works. The bike lock itself is 33.5 inches long, a little short, but it should work in most situations. Number 1. HipLock DX Bicycle. HipLock's strongest U-lock doesn't need to be mounted to your bike when you aren't using it. It has clips that let you hook it over a belt or a backpack strap. It's 14 millimeters thick and weighs only 2.4 pounds. But that's because it's a very small U, 2.8 centimeters shorter than the already short Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 and 5.3 centimeters shorter than the Kryptonite New York. You might not be able to loop the lock through the frame, rear wheel, and a lock-up point, especially if your lock-up point is a thick post or bike rack with particularly thick bars.